They call themselves Igbo when it's election season. But once the cameras are off, once the votes are counted, they vanish back into the shadows of ambiguity. They want the Igbo votes, but not the Igbo burden. Let's talk about the politicians who remember they are Igbo only when it serves their ambition. The ones who wear the Igbo identity like a costume, not a culture, not a commitment. This video might upset some people, but I am perfectly fine with that. But the truth needs to be told. Welcome to the conversation they don't want to have.
I recognize them. I say they want to work with them. So why do you want me, as a Rivers person, as a Niger Delta person, to say, yes, come and launch attack, use my state to launch attack against the Federal Republic of Nigeria? You know I will not do that. I will not do that. So, but I never sent anybody, be it army, be it police, to go and kill Igbo people. We have lived in Igbos, we could not live with them. An Igbo person has been a commissioner in my cabinet since 2015 till now. And Igbo people supported me very well. It will be wrong that you say kill Igbo people. If you kill Igbo people in Rivers State, you chase Igbo people out, you keep business in the state. So which rational person will do that? So all this politicking, people using politics of 2023 to bring you down, even if whatever it is, I will not agree.
One of the most popular questions here
yes,
is that you are Igbo and that you are denying that you are not Igbo. Are you Igbo or not?
I'm not. You see, people must understand things. When we are in the Eastern region, nobody can deny that fact. We're in the Eastern region. People interpret my name as Wike. They don't understand the history of Wike. In my play, Wike means a newborn baby. See, Wike is a new baby. Right? They said Wike is a strong person or whatever. That's not my point. Okay, assuming I'm an Igbo. Assuming I'm an Igbo, as they said. So I should allow criminals in Igbo land to kill security agencies. Assuming that.
No, they don't want. No, sir. They don't want you to deny your Igbohood. They said, for example, your first name, Ezenwo, is an Igbo name.
No, you see, that's why we have to be careful. My name is Ezebunwa. Now, you see, nobody can deny the fact of affinity with Igbos. Nobody can deny the fact that in our place, your mother may come from Igbo, your father may come from Igbo. We have had that cultural affiliation and affinity. You cannot deny that. Take for example, in Benin or Edo State, they've been with the Southwest. Is that not correct? There are so many names. There's Akpata. There's Akpata in Edo. There's Akpata in Yoruba. So are you not saying the Akpata in Edo is the same Akpata in Yoruba land? There is spelling different. They may have a relationship, but that does not mean that you are the same. You know, people, when they want to do something, they, assuming I'm an Igbo, do not consider. Assuming I'm an Igbo, do not consider. But I am not in Rivers State, right? So because I'm an Igbo in Rivers State, so I should allow criminals from my area, who they say as Igbos, to go and kill security forces, agents. Is that what I'm trying to say? I'm not one politician that for whatever political mileage, I will not change my identity. I will not. And people should understand that. I've given you a difference between Akpata in Edo, Akpata in the West. And that is the same Akpata. They may have some relationship. You never can tell. After all, there's nobody that can say you came on your own. we have all links here and there. Some people trace, okay, till today. Some Equatorial people in their own history say, we come from Benin, right? We come from Benin. Okay, I may believe the history. History is not something you can say. It's sacrosanct. Some people have their own views about history. No, from what we have read, people came from here. From what we have read, people came from here. But assuming people now say we are from Benin, position is now zoned to Benin. Therefore, I will go and contest that election because my history, my progenitors, my origin, they are from Benin. Okay, like you, Dele Momodu, you are from the Yoruba. And Igbo came, Oduduwa descended from heaven. Maybe.
I'm actually from Edo State.
Okay, no, I'm just sorry. Okay, fine. You see, the Dele Momodu. You see,
Dele Giwa too was from Edo State.
You see, no, but you see, some people will now say you are from the Yoruba because your name, your similar, your name resembles a Yoruba name. So when people here say I am from Igbo, they may be right because of the name, but you cannot say, let them trace my history. I'm not going to run away. I have nothing against the Igbos. I've lived with them. They are very good people, very entrepreneurial, very innovative. But that does not mean I will change. I will not do that. And even if you convince me today, I'm an Igbo person. Okay, let me say I'm Igbo. Igbo people, I'm Igbo today. So does that say I should go and allow miscreants to go and kill innocent security agencies? Look at what one boy, I don't know his name. I heard you interviewed him. I don't know. Okay, let me remember. I was told. They say he has IPOB. You know his name?
Mazi Namdekanu.
Okay, I don't know his name. Now, thank you very much. Now, they said,
Governor.
He said, no. I have never in my life, in fact, from what somebody said, see, I don't read all this. I'm not in social media. I'm not into all this.
But it's all over all the newspapers.
No. In fact, people tell me, my Commission of Information, my SA media, they tell me what they read. I said, I've never met this guy. He said, oh, they supported me. How? From where? I've never met you. Igbos live in River State. Whether I like it or not, the Yorubas live in River State. Whether I like it or not, the Hausas live in River State. Everybody look at the people who are contesting the election to say, look, this one we think will do a good job for Rivers people. It's not for you as a person. I don't know now what do you call it, Mazi. I don't know what's called Mazi or whatever. Okay, he says Mazi. Right. I never met him. I never seen him. Never one day. And people just bring sentiments upon sentiments upon sentiments. I will never in my life deny the Igbos. When we're Eastern Nigeria, we have a relationship. Nobody can deny that. And it was that strong. But to say, okay, assuming we're Igbos, assuming, but River State is River State. And by the Constitution, this local government is called Oyibo local government. Now you come from Abia State to change the name of a constitutionally recognized local government that is no longer Oyibo, it's now Obibo. You come to Port Harcourt local government to tell them this is what local government should be. Who would allow that to happen? No, well, who would allow that to happen?
What he said is that
yes.
Biafra covers 13 states and Rivers happens to be one of those states.
Okay, can I tell you?
Covers.
Yeah, can I tell you? It's really, with all due respect to you, don't say I'm very abusive, but please confirm it to me. It's very insulting to Rivers people. Not insulting. You know what happened in the Civil War. Everybody knows what happened. Some people supported Biafra. Some people were with Nigeria. You know that. So it will be wrong for him to say during the Civil War that everybody that was in Biafra covered River State. It will be very, very wrong of him to say that. If, for example, a particular people supported Biafra, you don't take it, there's nothing wrong about it. Everybody looks for where will it suit us? What will be our own interest? But for you to say, because some sections in River State supported Biafra, means that the whole River State supported Biafra. It is very childish, it's very, something you can say is not quite informed. What Dele, which history did he read? Let him tell me the history he read. Does he know about Adagaboro? Does he know that in River State you have a lot of ethnic groups? You have the Calabaris, you have the Okrikans, you have the Queres, you have the Epeyas, you have the Abuas, you have the Che, you have the Ogonis. All these people, that's why River State is one state. You cannot say you have one ethnic group. That's why it's a complex state. You cannot say. So is it telling me the Ogonis are Igbos? Is it telling me the Calabaris, the Okrikans, or the Jaws in River State are Ogonis? Is it telling me the Epayas are Ogonis? Is it telling me the Obas are Ogonis? Is it telling me the Queens are Ogonis simply because we may have some relationship in terms of names, just like you said, Dele Momodu, Dele Giwa, who you would think are Yorubas? What kind of history are people bringing? I will not be a party to that.
Your Excellency, I'm a very, very objective journalist. Very objective.
Yes,
I want to say with every sense of emphasis and without any contradiction that I believe IPOB has become a very formidable force, not just in Nigeria, but globally. And where I'm going is that in order sometimes to have peace in a state or in a region, don't you think it is good to reach out to people, even if